I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need your school Google account and basic choices made right now. Open Google Calendar and create 3 calendars: classes, activities, personal. Once done, create your first class event, give it a clear name, set the correct time and location, and choose Repeat Weekly. Make sure to add a 10-15-minute notification so you have transition time. You'll save time later by naming teachers and rooms consistently. This also makes search and color coding work immediately for you. Now expand your schedule with focused blocks and attachments. Create study events using Pomodoro-style lengths or whatever works. Label them and pick distinct colors so subjects stand out. Once done, attach your syllabus or homework files to assignment events so everything is one click away. Make sure to use reminders for deadlines as well as event notifications. For group work, share a project calendar, add tasks in the event description, and assign responsibilities so the team stays aligned without endless messages. Finish by syncing across phone, laptop, and tablet. Confirm calendar visibility and default notification times. Once done, set working hours and use the Find a Time or Suggested Times to resolve conflicts quickly. Use goals or time slots to tuck in personal habits. Make sure to export a term view or print your busy weeks before exams. If something goes wrong, check sync settings, calendar visibility toggles, and shared permissions first. Fixing those 3 usually restores missing events fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.